In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Disney Plus movies on iPhone. Now, even though I'm on an Android right now, the process will be the exact same regardless on whether you're on an Android or an iOS. And basically, in order for this to work, you'll need to have the Disney Plus premium account or the Trio subscription. So if you only have the basic Disney Plus subscription with like the ads and stuff like that, then unfortunately this will not work for you. So you need to go ahead and have Disney Plus premium. Anyways, guys, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find a movie to download. So let's say, for example, we wanted to go ahead and download Iron Man. All we need to go ahead and do is just select on it just like so. And if you do have the premium account, then you're going to see a button that actually does say download. Unfortunately, I don't actually have the premium account. However, if you do have it, you should see a button over here that does say download. And basically, it is going to allow you to download that movie, and then you can access that movie and watch it whenever you are offline. So let's say you have a big flight coming up or something like that. Then that is something I recommend that you guys do. And then you guys will be able to find all of your downloaded movies in the bottom menu and pressing over here where it says downloads. And here, you'll be able to find all of the downloaded movies that you did install. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.